Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your pattern lock is not being recognized on your LG G6. When you're trying to unlock your phone and your pattern is not being recognized no matter how you try it, you may want to consider whether you're putting it in the wrong order, for example, because that is actually important, I believe. You can try different ones just in case you maybe are actually mistaking your pattern with your old pattern or something like this. But if no matter what you do it just doesn't seem to work, it will lock you out after 5 attempts. You can try simply restarting your phone. To do so, press and hold the power button at the back and then choose the power off and restart option and then confirm. But another thing you may want to consider is to boot into safe mode to try and bypass some glitches. To do so, again, press and hold the power button at the back, then choose the power off option, hold it, and then press turn on to enter safe mode. This will restart your phone into safe mode, which may take a bit. You'll know you're in safe mode by the safe mode text in the bottom left corner. You can try unlocking your phone, but if it doesn't work again, you might actually be forced to perform a factory reset, for which just remember that you will have to remember the account that you had installed on your phone before, the Google account that you had just set to be your phone's account. To do a factory reset from here, you can simply press and hold the power button, then choose power off and restart, then press and hold the power button and the volume down buttons. Just make sure to keep holding the volume down button properly, do not let it go. And once the logo appears, briefly stop holding the power button and then immediately press back on it. This will enter factory data reset mode. In here, use your volume buttons to scroll down to confirm yes, then again. And after pressing this button, it will now perform a factory reset, which may again take a little bit. Then after the reset, you'll have to go through the setup process. Just pick your language, then just click through it as you would normally. You will have to connect to some network in order to actually go through the setup process though, so you'll have to take that into account. And now there is a little thing about brightness, which might make it a bit more difficult for you to notice on this camera, but the phone will force itself into full brightness shortly after restarting. So just go through the setup process, follow the instructions on the screen, which may again take a bit of waiting at some steps. At this step you'll have to verify your Google account, so you just log into the account you had on the phone before the factory reset. Then after you've inputted your account details, you can choose to add it back to the phone or do another account, which will just let you log into a different account. But now you can just press yes, go through these things, choose which services you want to have turned on, go next, then just pick your region, pick your time zones, which just Just go through. You can set up fingerprints or not, and let's skip that for now. And then you have to agree to the EULA, and you can choose which ones of the optional agreements you want to agree with. You don't have to agree with them. And now you are now in your phone normally. You can set a new lock screen in settings. Here in display, lock screen, and then select screen lock, where you'll be able to pick your desired screen lock settings. Let's make a new pattern. You can make it so it's required when you turn on the phone. Now you can make a new pattern. Just go through, set your new pattern. Make sure to remember it, or you'll have to perform a factory reset to recover your phone if you forget it. You can set fingerprints, or you can just ignore that if you don't want it. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.